How to spin the wheel on Temu app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials. Once signed in, tap on the View option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option you see there. You will then see various offers on how you can get free gifts. Simply select any of the following and you will then be required to spin the wheel. So go ahead and spin the wheel and claim the rewards assigned to you. So this was about how you can spin the wheel on Temu app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Lock-in Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.